Okay, it's day 2 of this office makeover. We painted all the walls. We got our accent wall. This is part 2 of my Sailboat office makeover. If you want to watch us prep and paint this room, watch the first video. I will link it down below. So I'm not going to do a ton of talking for this video. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the music while you watch us clean and decorate.
Use my back.
One thing I will say is this makeover was supposed to be a surprise for my dad, but we did need his help moving the bookcase, so we did a mini reveal to surprise him before he helped us finish the room.
All right. Oh wow! I like the accent wall. It's bold.
It's gonna look really nice with the bookcase in front of it.
Yeah, I'm excited.
But it's so big in here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can imagine it. This is great. All right, so now I gotta do some work.
That was a little socky. Can you do it one more?
No, that's good. Okay, this is the room so far. We got the rug, the bookshelf, fish tank, desk, and now we're just decorating. One amazing find for this makeover was this rug. This was from Goodwill for $50. My dad's style is very traditional, so this rug was the perfect find. Thank you for watching part 2 of this office makeover series. I have the third and final video I am still working on. This office is far from finished. I have the fish tank to show you. I have drapes that are going up. I have another giant plant that's going in the left corner. I have some rearranging to do with the bookshelves. So the third video I'm hoping to have out in 2 weeks to show the final reveal. Thank you for watching. This is Laurel Wood, the Artsy Accountant. Bye.